Hello children, welcome to my lecture. So this is my first lecture in New Year. Today we are going to welcome our New Year, that is 2021. Now in 2020 we are suffering from many problems, just like corona problem. Because of that we are not able to attend the classroom. We are not able to give and take or exchange our thoughts, our views front of each other because of corona. So 2020 it ended. Now in 2021 also we started our online lecture, right? In 2020 also we continued our online lecture. Not started in 2020, we started our online lecture. In 2021 also we are at the same position, but I thought in 2021 corona is going to disappear little it is what less, and afterward it will be, I think, totally disappear and we will free from corona, and you also allowed it to come in college, and we will physically we will see each other, and in classroom our teaching learning process will going on. So now today children we are going to do in English section 3, writing skill, drafting virtual messages. And my dear children, we are already completed in writing skill. I think 3.1 summary writing, 3.2 mind mapping, 3.3 note making, and now I'm started 3.5, that is drafting virtual messages. In New Year we started drafting virtual messages. So in drafting virtual messages, what we are going to study, first of all I want to inform you in this chapter. First of all we will study type of messages. First of all we will study what is the virtual messages, what is the meaning of drafting a virtual messages, what is the media of drafting virtual messages, okay. Then type of messages, then virtual communication. Next topic our is message writing. Next topic is format of virtual message, and then we will do point to remember, which point we have to remember to drop the virtual messages. Then afterward one example we will solve on the basis of drafting virtual messages. So we start 3.5, drafting virtual messages, right children? See, drafting virtual messages. See, we are drafting the virtual messages. How we draft the virtual messages? First of all question arises, how we draft virtual messages. So this virtual messages we can draft through the electronic media by our mobile phone. Now today each and every children is having Android phone. How I am teaching and you are learning with the help of the Android phone. Same way we are also drafting the virtual messages through our electronic media by using WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, and Telegram, we can say Messenger, many more medias are over there. Through that media we can draft virtual messages. To whom we draft our virtual messages? Our parents, our friends, our siblings, our relatives, right? Same way sometime formal virtual messages are over there. That messages we draft to whom? We draft our principal. Sometime our boss is drafting their employer. Sometime we drop the messages to some government officers, and sometimes bank drafters, or sometimes we also draft virtual messages to bank, and sometimes in society we are drafting virtual messages to secretary or chairman, right? So this virtual messages question based on virtual messages. 3.5 in writing skill, based on drafting a virtual messages, there will be one question in your board exam that carry how many marks? 4 marks, right? So virtual messages, how we learn? Already we learned the letter writing. How the letter writing is 2 types. Same way this virtual messages also 2 types, that is informal and formal. And already according to the picture you come to know to whom we drop the formal messages and to whom we drop the informal messages, right? We drop parents, friends, siblings, relatives, close relation whom we have, and principal, employer, government persons, banks and societies. Now there is many life examples also. When we are sending the messages, what suppose many children are sending me a message, please add me in a group, right now? So that also what? That also is one type of virtual message. If you want, some children are what? They want to come to know when the college is started, or they want to get any important information. So they drop the message, right? They dropped their friend message. That message is what? That messages are informal messages. And formal messages, what? If you want to take a permission, you are late to fill the form, so you drop a message to our principal sir or your class teacher. That is the what? That is a formal message, right? Now how we send the message? First of all, children, how we send the message and how sender will encoding the message and encoding. First of all, question arises, what is the encoding? Encoding is what? It is the process of converting data from one form to another. While encoding can be used as a verb, it is often used as a noun and refer to a specific type of encoded data. There are several types of encoding, including image encoding, audio, video encoding and character encoding, right? So what happened here? What sender will encode the message and he will send the message. So after sending message, who will receive? Receiver will receive the message. When the receiver want to give the answer, so what he does? He do the same. When he want to give the answer means he want to give the feedback. इंस्टेड ऑफ व्हाट ही वांट टू गिव द फीडबैक. किसके मैसेज पे? सेंडर ने जो मैसेज भेजा है उसका आंसर देने के लिए या उसका देने के लिए जो रिसीवर मैसेज करता तो वो भी क्या करेगा? फर्स्ट वो इनकोडिंग करेगा, मैसेज सेंड करेगा, फिर डिकोडिंग करेगा. तो मैसेज किसके पास पहुंच जाएगा? सेंडर के पास. सो इन दिस वे व्हाट? इन दिस वे द प्रोसेस ऑफ communication is going on, right? How the communication flow through the virtual messages. So this way sender भेजता है किसको? सेंडर इनकोड करता है, फिर वो सेंड करता है रिसीवर को. रिसीवर उसका आंसर देने के लिए, फीडबैक देने के लिए वो भी इनकोड करता है, वो डिकोडिंग करता है. तो इस तरह से ये कम्युनिकेशन का प्रोसेस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया से चलता रहता है, right? So children, first of all I have told you कि drafting virtual messages, how it is through the what? Drafting virtual messages is going on through the communication. किसी भी मैसेज को भेजना, एक दूसरे को भेजना, that system is what known as what? Communication. So what is the communication? Question arises, what is the communication? कि ओल्ड टाइम में क्या करते थे हम लोग? किसी को लेटर या पोस्ट कार्ड या एनवेलप में लेटर लिख के भेजते थे, तो दूर में जो रहता था उसको क्या करते थे? इस तरह से हम लोग मैसेजेस भेजते थे या अपने बारे में बताते थे, वो भी आंसर ऐसे ही भेजता था. तो अभी न्यू टाइप चालू हो गया. थ्रू द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया वी आर सेंडिंग द मैसेजेस, राइट? तो ये कम्युनिकेशन का प्रोसेस, जो मैसेज क्या है कि सामने हम एक दूसरे के सामने रह करके अपने थॉट्स एक्सचेंज करते हैं, उनसे बातें करते हैं, इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सचेंज करते हैं, आइडियाज़ एक्सचेंज करते हैं, अपने फीलिंग्स एक्सचेंज करते हैं या इमोशंस एक्सचेंज करते हैं. तो जो ये थॉट्स, फीलिंग्स, इमोशन एंड आइडिया एक्सचेंज करने का जो सिस्टम है, दैट इज़ वी नोन एज कम्युनिकेशन. that is communication. So communication, what it is, maybe different type. First of all, we have to know what is the communication. Already I given in short way. Communication is an what, children's integral part of human nature. What, without communicating human cannot live, कि बिना बात के एक ह्यूमन रह नहीं सकता है. So exchange of ideas, already I told, exchange of ideas, thoughts and information from one person to another is what? It is the communication, right? As the most intelligent animal, who is most intelligent animal on the earth? That is human being. Human being is the most intelligent animal on the planet. Humans have derived different communication processes to express themselves and understand each other, right? Before the advent of oral communication, non-verbal methods were used, such as gesture, facial expression and movement. On the broader term, communication can be in various ways. So here what is the want to say, what I want to say you कि communication, what in short we can say communication is the process of exchanging information, idea, thoughts and feelings. And what is the way of expressing this communication? Through the speech, through giving signal or writing or showing our behavior. So here communication first is what? By speaking, means by orally we can speak. And now what? By giving signal, by giving signal also we show our what? Communication. Then what? By writing also we send the communication. Writing means what? First of all I told orally we can give the communication, means by our mouth. How we can say? By in mobile, you say in WhatsApp, what we can record our sound and we send the communication. And next what I shown by expression. Expression means we can different picture we send, through that also we send our what we want to say through the picture. By sending the picture we can say, we can send our friend what? Our feeling and emotion. And then what? By writing. In message also we are writing, also by typing we are what showing? We are writing, and by writing also we can send our messages. Now see, so by behavior means anybody's behavior we like, we want to become a friend of that person, so what we do? We shake hand. And anything we don't like, so we change our eyes here and there. And anything we saw or we read that make us surprised, so we make our eyes big. So children, so in this way I think we can understand what is the communication. So generally children, we know communication is what? It is three type of communication. That is oral communication, written communication and virtual communication. So already I told you कि communication is three types, and it is also I told the form of communication is what? Formal and informal, right? So messages and what? Informal communication. Now see, message is and what? Informal communication. Already I told message is an informal communication. So message is an informal means of communication, and the receiver of message has to go through the given message and pick out the most vital bits of information. So here what? He or she should what? While sending the message, he or she should be to reproduce the information in order to convey it to the person for whom it is intended, right? So generally children's messages are what? Four types of messages, right? Generally we know there are how many types of messages? Four type of messages. First one is what? Positive message. What is the positive message? Positive message, not positive message convey good feeling through thanks, appreciation, expression of interest, sympathy, extended help and solace. For example, your product has been shipped and will be delivered today. So what we positive we are giving this message ki your product has been shipped and you will be delivered to you today, or your bank account is credited with an so and so amount of rupees. Now next is what? Second one, negative messages. What negative messages convey? Negative messages convey disappointment, disapproval, or dissatisfaction. Messages of disapproval, disagreement, denial, refusal, cancellation, etc. What? That are negative messages. Example I given already. We regret that your application has been rejected. Better luck for next time. Means you are going forward to give the interview. You give an application, but your application is what? Rejected. That is what? Which type of message? That is a negative type of message. Now third is what? Neutral messages. So what is the neutral messages convey? It convey no feeling, no emotion. Neutral messages conveys what? No feeling, no emotion, no sentiments. Dry messages. Generally neutral messages are which type of messages? Dry messages. This message is what showing? Neutral messages showing neither joy nor sorrow. So we can say neutral messages are what? They are not showing joy. So we can say messages that do not draw any conclusion, they are what? They are the neutral messages. For example, we have received your order for t-shirt. Means we have received your order. Means I online ordered you to purchase the t-shirt. So suppose from Amazon. So from Amazon replies come, you only order na. So their answer what? Which type of message as answer come? We have received your order for t-shirt. So here is what? No happy, no sadness. This is what? Neutral. Why? Because we ordered, then only they received the order. So free में तो मिल नहीं रहा कि हम बहुत happy होंगे. So this message is what? Neutral message. Next I give an example. Your English lecture timings tomorrow 2:30. Means tomorrow lecture is over there. But timing is what? 2:30. That is teacher is informing. Your lecture is what? Tomorrow 10 o'clock नहीं होगा. It will be कितने time पे होगा? It will be on 2:30 PM. So there is what? No joy, no sad. Lecture था, है और रहेगा. Next one is what? Persuasive messages. What is the persuasive messages? What acts like? Persuasive messages act that communicates persuasively agreement on the writer's point of view. Use of convincing language or words. So what persuasive means? Act that communicate persuasively. Agreement on writer's point of view. You make agreement how? Writer's point of view. Use of convincing language or word. In this message what? You have to use which type of language? Convincing languages. For example, I am not keeping well, so I cannot attend English exam. Please allow my leave. So here what? The messages is persuasive message given. You are not feeling well, that's why you are not able to attend the English exam. So you sended the what? Message to whom? Persuasive message you sended your teacher or class teacher. I am not keeping well, so I cannot attend English exam. Please allow my leave. Okay, you are not feeling, that's why you are what? You are trying to give the message, or you are trying to take a permission for leave from your teacher. And next what I give an example, can I request for the payment in advance? Right, so this is what? Persuasive message. When you are requesting, then only you can get the advance payment. अब गुस्सा होके चिल्ला के मांगोगे तो कोई देगा क्या? नहीं. So here what you are doing? Your agreement on writer's point of view. So here what? You are what doing? You are writing from your point of view. For what purpose? To convincing the person to give you an advance payment. Okay. Now next, see virtual messages. Means I told we learn the what? Virtual messages. So what is the virtual communication, or what is the virtual messages? So we define virtual communication as a mode of communication that includes the use of technology, that is maybe audio or maybe video, to communicate with people who are not physically present in front of us. So whom we are doing these virtual messages, whom we are showing? We are sending those person who are not physically present in front of us. So what we are using? We are using audio or we are using video. People can be in the next room, means they are not physically present, means what? That person can be in the next room or other floor. He live on other floor, or he is your what? He is living in your neighborhood, or even he live miles away. Although virtual communication started way back with the invention of telephone, virtual communication started way is what? Which is the way? It is the way with the invention of telephone. When telephone invented, from that time virtual communication is started. The advent of webcams, video conferencing and instant communication made virtual communication a big hit. What make the virtual communication big hit? Webcam, video conferencing and instant communication that make the virtual communication what? Big hit. It given what? Big hit to the virtual communication. Today we use virtual communication in almost every walk of life, right? Each and every steps when you are putting, we had virtual communication. To whom we are doing this virtual communication? We had with our family member, with our friends or office friends or colleagues, to name a few, right? Today we will learn more about the virtual communication, right? Today we are learning also, and we will learn also by this chapter about more about the virtual communication and explore why it has become one of the most popular way of communication. See, in addition, we give a sneak preview of some of the best virtual communication tools used across the world, right? In addition, we give a sneak preview. We given what? One preview of some of the best virtual communication tool used across the world. See, which tools we use in across the world today? See, we use the audio video through what? Telephone, webcam. See, I given video conferencing, instant communication. See, this type of things we are using for virtual communication. Now question arises, ki how we send the messages, virtual messages. So there is what? How many types of virtual messages? There is what? 6 major types for virtual messages. What? 6 major types of virtual messages. How many type of virtual messages? 6 major types of virtual messages. First is what? Directional message, what you should do, right? Directional message, what you should do. Second is what? Message of possibility. Third is messages of reality. Fourth is messages of necessity. Fifth is new idea messages. And last one is sixth one, that is what? Reframing messages. So now we will study about the messages. So each and every. So first of all, what? These 6 are major type of messages, and now we should go to the what is the directional message, what you should do. See, directional message. Sometimes messages are directional. Sometimes messages are directional. They give us point of view on the best way to achieve a certain goal, right? What is the directional message? Directional message, what is the use of directional messages? So this directional, sometimes messages are directional, they are giving us direction, and they give us what? How it prove they give us direction? Because they give us a point of view on the best way to achieve a certain goal. We take example, for example, what? Being happy, how we always remains happier, that also give. Making more money, some messages come, okay, you do this and this, and you can earn what per day 25,000 or 50 lakh. So this is what they're giving about direction. For what direction? Making more money. Best relationship, sometime what messages, what they give a direction, how we make a best relationship with our friend, with our colleagues, or with our family member. Next is what? Messages of possibility. So message of possibility, another kind of message. What? This is second type of message. What is the message? That is message of possibility. This message of possibility is what says something else is possible. Message of possibility, it says us something is possible. No matter how stuck or hopeless or feeling, what they say is this message of possibility says us something else is possible. See, no matter how stuck or hopeless or helpless we feel, there is always a pathway to reclaim our power with mindfulness, love and simplicity. What says? No matter how stuck or hopeless our feeling, but what? There is always a path where we reclaim our power with what? Mindfulness. With mindfulness, love and simplicity. Always, which we might distill down to, no matter how stuck you feel, there's always a way, a powerful message. What happens sometimes? What? We becomes very sad. So what happens? Messages shows us what? Path. Okay, no, you thought this is impossible. Oh, nothing is impossible. Everything is what? Possible. When you use your powerful mind in a very sincerity, where you can do that work, each and everything is possible for you. Means what? There is always a way. What? There is always a way. By what we can say, there is always a way to find out our solution or to do our work. Because what? Because of this what? Powerful message. Next is what? Messages of reality. Sometimes the messages is about how things really are. Right? Sometimes messages is what? Reality बताने वाले messages रहते हैं. They are clarifying messages, mini map that help direct people from confusion to clarity. Right? Sometimes we suffer because we don't really see the world for how it is, and someone who can tell it like it is as reset our expectations about the possibilities and limitations of certain approaches will always endanger trust. Right? Sometimes what? Some messages shows us reality, and that messages are known as what? Messages of reality. Next is what? Messages of necessity, where we need to do, right? This is what? Messages. Which messages? Messages of necessity is more of a call to arm for people. Message of necessity is what? It is arm for people. It is not just a message of what's possible or what's real, but what's required of us to get what we want. What require of us? What we want. That is what? That type of messages are messages of necessity. Now next is fifth one is what? New India messages. New India messages. Which type of messages is known as New India messages? Some messages are based on idea that people may never have considered before. Messages with novel idea, opinions, suggestions, views, etc. are sent with much excitement or enthusiasm. They are known as what? New Idea messages. Last one is what? Reframing messages. Some messages are about taking aspect. Some messages are for what about? Some messages are about taking aspect of our life that we might have framed as weakness or bad and framing them as strength and assist, or something we thought was bad is actually good, or something we always thought was good is bad, and something we thought was ugly is actually beautiful. What? Reframing message is what? Sometimes we are thinking that is a very bad person, but that person वो फिर लेकिन वो इंसान क्या निकल जाता है? बड़ा अच्छा निकल जाता है. Sometimes we think this person is very good, but afterwards वो cheater निकल जाता है. Sometimes what? We thought he is a very ugly person, but that person what? Become a, when we we meet with that person's work, because of their behavior and all thing, we come to know this or she is very beautiful person. Now, so what we conclude according to, we what learn many type of messages. How many type of messages we learn? We learn 6 type of messages. So first one what we learn? Directional messages. Second, message of possibility. Third, messages of reality, messages of necessity, new idea messages, and reframing. By learning these all things, we conclude what? So many opinion of virtual communication tool available within a click. It is definitely makes our lives easier. What? Virtual messages, so many type of virtual messages we know. We click and that messages can be sent. So that message, because of this messages, our life become what? Our life become very easier. Nowadays, the ability of communicating virtually and instantly or sharing our information in seconds is a very crucial. Virtual communication is creating a communication environment which is cost effective, time saving, and accessible 24/7 hours. Right? Communication has evolved in the last few decades. Communications has evolved in the last few decades, and very soon virtual communication will be the base of communication in future. We will see a range of new product and technologies which will assist in making our virtual communication more easy and quick. Invention of telephone created the path of communication, and today virtual communication has taken over everything. With many advantages and features, people across the world have access to multiple virtual communication tools, which is making their life easy and comfortable. So, by reading the virtual communication and type of 6 virtual communication, we come to know, or sending virtual messages, we come to know because of this media, and because of sending the virtual messages, or by doing the virtual communication, what it is our life become very easy. Why? Because sending these messages is what? Only need one click. Right? These messages are available by only one click, and it make what? Life very easier to communicate. Means we no need to go. Neither what happened time pe corona hai, so we are not able to go to our friend, we are not able to go to our relatives house. How we will communicate when no phone, no mobile phone, no virtual messages? We are not able to communicate with each other. So with the help of this media and with the help of the virtual communication, virtual communication, we can communicate with each other, we can take the information regarding each other, right? And because of the virtual communication, cost effective this and what it save our time also, right? And this virtual communication, it is available when it is available on 25/7, means 24 hours, full week, means per day 24 hour it is available, and this communication become very easy and very quick also, right? So I think today we will stop our lecture here. Next lecture we will continue. Good day, children.